Imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural place. Perhaps a quiet forest, a calm beach, or a meadow filled with flowers. Let the colors, the sounds, the air surround you. Above you shines the sun, warm and kind. A golden beam flows from the sun into the crown of your head. With each inhale, this golden light enters, restoring you. With each exhale, fatigue fades. The light clears your mind, softens your shoulders, warms your heart, and steadies your core. Say within, clarity is returning to me. Calm is filling me. I am restoring my strength. The golden light flows down through your legs, into your feet, and deep into the earth. You are connected, rooted, supported. Say within, I am grounded, steady, and safe. Now repeat these affirmations softly. I give myself permission to rest and heal. I thank myself for choosing rest. My worth is not defined by what I achieve. I thank myself for remembering this truth. I am patient and kind with myself. I thank myself for gentleness within. Hope and peace live in me. I thank myself for welcoming them now. I am restoring my energy from the inside out. I thank myself for this renewal. Feel each phrase take root in you. With each breath, they grow stronger, brighter. Notice again the rhythm of your breath. Inhale softly. Exhale fully. Your body is lighter, your mind clearer, your spirit brighter. Energy flows through you, steady and alive. Begin to return slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your wrists and ankles. Stretch gently in whatever way feels natural. Take one last quiet breath in, filled with golden light. Exhale, letting that light remain within you. When you are ready, open your eyes slowly. Carry with you this ease, this strength, this restored energy. Care for your body. Care for your mind. They are your true treasures. All else you own, all else you strive for, will lose its meaning if your health is not tended. With body and mind in balance, you already hold everything. Without them, even the brightest successes feel empty. This vitality is now part of you. Let it guide you gently forward, steady and bright.